This is our new apartment here. Yeah, nothing. We have pillows here. I need to change the bed sheet. It's nice. It's cute. It's just small, but it's fine for us. It's very nice out here. The window. It's very warm now. Sofa kami dito. Yung mga bags namin. Mga bags. Gabi na nga kami natapos, guys. Ayan. Ayan, yung mga gamit namin nakatambak pa. Lahat. Yan. Everything inside the kitchen. Nilalantakan ko itong binili naming cake. Reward for myself and for my love.